Next one, BMW, they put out their first ever i4. And I guess they did a video here to announce it. I think it is their first all-electric sedan. They had the i3, but that was like a little hatchback type thing. Mm-hmm. This is going to be their mass market. This is their Tesla killer. No. God, no. Oh. Will, get out of here.
I was like, whoa.
That's a concept vehicle. But I guess they're talking about their inspiration a little bit.
This?
No. They're talking about like the phases they went through to get to the final thing. They're going to save the reveal. I mean, these concepts look amazing, but you can't buy that.
Their concepts have always been great.
Amazing concepts. Yeah, amazing concepts. When are they going to show us? There we go. Okay, so here's what it ended up looking like. A lot more traditional, like a regular BMW, but with some electric accents. I mean, you see the blue down the side. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, Will. I mean, you got really high expectations, assuming they're making concept cars. Look.
That's nice.
Well,
can you change it to like RGB?
Did you get excited there?
A little squeak there.
Can you change? I think you might drive something like that. I don't know.
I would love to have something like this.
You would drive something like that. I would think. I mean, here's the problem. At this point, Tesla has such a dominant position in the sedan market. Let's say that this is the same price as a Tesla sedan. Are you really going to go this route? See, I changed my voice on purpose right there. Are you really going to go this route? Yeah. Let me tell you something right now. They say it's going to go, the range will be up to 590 kilometers. So that's not bad. What are you going to say to me, Will? Are you going to go, or would you go for something like this if the price was the same? Oh, okay. Easy, Will.
Probably go with the S.
Wow. Well, look, BMW has its fan base, and I'm going to go out on a limb here and just suggest that they will have advantages in certain areas. Not in the autonomous aspect, probably, not in the range, and probably not in acceleration, but they may on the interior finishes and some of the option packages. Yep. I had the same experience with the Taycan. German automobile, similar companies. Mm-hmm. There's just some things you can do that Tesla's, well, they're just a newer company.
Yes. Yep.
So
I totally agree.
I'm going to say that when you go to figure this out, check that one out. If it's available at the time when you're going to get the electric vehicle, go take a peek.
I will. I'll do a test drive.
Oh, a test drive?
Why not?
Holy moly.